The soluCLEAN range is the first choice in eco-responsible cleaning products. Concentrated products encased in water-soluble film sachets made to the highest ethical standards, all under one roof at our HQ in Yorkshire. Our eco-cleaning range has no waste. As you dissolve the sachet, everything including the film becomes part of the biodegradable cleaning solution. Our product range has loads of advantages, and in today's plastic-saturated world, we really make a difference by using the 100% recycled plastic bottle over and over. The water-soluble sachets are supplied in lightweight outer packs, and our bottles are bottles for life. The sachets save shelf space and reduce the impact on the environment. To put this into perspective, one sachet makes one trigger bottle of cleaning solution. It's as simple as fill, add, shake and go. Cut transport costs by up to 90%, reduce weight by up to 99%, reduce storage by up to 92%, cut packaging by up to 70%. Get rid of single-use plastic and use the bottles again and again. 70% of the world is water, why ship it? We are passionate about our planet and constantly strive to reduce our impact. Switching to our products will make a huge saving in CO2, reduce plastic waste and make a dent in transport emissions. We do not test on animals at any point in the manufacturing and production of our products, which also have no animal origins. We work with both Cruelty-Free International and the Vegan Society to make sure we design products that always meet their standards. Our mission is to become the first choice for daily cleaning systems. We work to the highest ethical standards for the lowest environmental impact. We know how beneficial our products are, and now you do too. It's simple, really. Plastic-free cleaning. A simple system in any language.